Hey guys, I am a shark. Some types of shark can sleep, but the eyes are always open. Sharks are able to capture the smell of blood at a great distance. As a compass, sharks have an electromagnetic field. Bye. Hi guys, I am Rudolph, Santa's deer. Rudolph's red nose is not a myth. The North Deep has increased the number of blood vessels that help adjust body temperature. They have incredible night vision. Bye! Oh ho ho! Hi, I'm Santa Claus. Santa Claus' red costume appeared thanks to advertising Coca-Cola. In 1819, American entrepreneur Edgar James in Massachusetts changed to Santa Claus to attract more buyers to the store. The idea was successful. The character has a real prototype. This is Saint Nicholas. Bye! Hi guys, I am a Toad, hero of a video game Mario. In games, Toad acts in the role of a non-guide character, helps Mario and his friends. The hat on the hero's head, some people think that these are hats, while that this a part of the character's body. What do you think about you? Bye!